clouds, where the rain never ceases, lies a secret paradise of untouched beauty and releases. From the Garo hills to the Khasi plains, Meghalaya's mystique remains. Oh, Meghalaya.
Very beautiful, no, sir?
Beautiful.
Maybe it is the first time you come here?
Yeah, first time.
Oh, how do you feel?
Too good. Too good.
But you lucky today, there's no rain.
There is no rain, there's lovely.
Yes,
Good sunshine.
yes,
Stunning view.
yes.
To the sparkling lakes, my heart beats for you, Meghalaya, it aches.
I believe over there, but you have to maybe 1 hour.